The stomach is a vital organ. Its wall has distinct layers. The outer serosa covers the muscle. Inside, the mucosa secretes acid. Here is the duodenum.
A gastric ulcer begins as an erosion in the stomach's mucosal lining. Over time, it can breach the submucosa and extend into the muscle. Without treatment, the ulcer may erode entirely. Following a gastric perforation, digestive contents leak into the abdominal cavity. This influx of bacteria triggers an acute blood cells rapidly migrate to combat the infection.
In this educational model, we can observe the upper abdomen. A small breach in the stomach wall allows free air to escape. This creates a condition known as pneumoperitoneum. A perforated ulcer is a serious condition, where a hole forms in the stomach wall. The nearby omentum tissue moves to help. It covers and protects the affected area.
This animation shows a Graham Omental Patch Repair. The omentum is used to cover a perforation. Sutures secure the fatty tissue over the defect. This reinforces the stomach wall.
Following repair, the omental patch secures the stomach site. Inflammation decreases as surrounding tissues return to normal. Healthy anatomy is restored.
Following successful repair, the stomach begins to heal. An omental patch creates a protective seal over the former ulcer. Nutrients move freely into the intestine.